Hello, in this video I want to show you how to power on and power off DJI RS 4 Pro. To do this, first you will need to attach the battery handle like I have right here. You can click on this button to either attach or detach it, and then we can press on the power button on the right side. Click and hold it for a few seconds to power it off, and then click and hold it again for a few seconds to power it back on. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.